Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide, how to enable or disable Hibernate in Windows 10. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Disable Hibernate. Press the Windows key to open the Start menu. Search for CMD in the search results list. Right-click Command Prompt, and then select Run as Administrator. When you are prompted by User Account Control, select Yes. At the command prompt, type powercfg.exe/hibernate off and then press Enter. Type Exit, then press Enter to close the command prompt window. Enable Hibernate. Press the Windows key to open the Start menu. Search for CMD in the search results list. Right-click Command Prompt, and then select Run as Administrator. When you are prompted by User Account Control, select Yes. At the command prompt, type powercfg.exe/hibernate on and then press Enter. Type Exit, and press Enter to close the command prompt window. Add or remove Hibernate option to or from the Power menu. Go to the Start menu. Search for Control Panel and click the top result to open the app. In the category view, click on Hardware and Sound. Then click on Power Options. Now click on the Choose what the Power button does option from the left pane. Then click on the Change Settings that are currently unavailable option. Check or uncheck the Hibernate option to add or remove the feature to or from the Power menu. Finally, click on Save Changes. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching, and I can't wait to share more with you. So, until next time, see you later.